It was back in 2000. I was at my cousin's place and हम लोग Sunday night Heat देख रहे थे. And उस समय she debuted it, तो उनका कोई introduction नहीं था, entrance नहीं था. She got on the top rope and she delivered the same.
Yeah.
So I was like super intrigued by her.
आपके साथ साथ आपकी मॉम और आपकी दादी भी लीटा की बहुत बड़ी फैंस बन गई है, and I think you have a little bit of credit there to take.
I remember when I became a Lita fan, so my mom really had, this female dynamic to watch. Because then she found somebody who's, of her gender, but she's doing things that she hasn't seen anybody do,
Right.
in all these years. So even she got hooked to it. To you, Lita. Happy birthday.
साल 2000 में जब से दिल्ली के सौरभ ने लीटा को टॉप रोप से मूनसॉल्ट करते हुए देखा, फ्रॉम दैट मोमेंट ऑन ही वाज हुक्ड. नॉट जस्ट दैट, उनकी माँ और उनकी दादी भी लीटा की बहुत बड़ी फैंस है. Guess what, guys? Today, on this very, very special occasion of Lita's birthday, we're going to meet one of her biggest fans from the WWE universe here in India and uncover this incredible iMega fan story. Saurabh, how are you doing, buddy?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
वेरी वेल. सबसे पहले तो मुझे आपसे ये कहना है कि मैंने आपका वीडियो जो आपने हमें भेजा एज एन आई मेगा फैन वो देखा, एंड फॉर 18 मिनट्स स्ट्रेट you have only spoken about how much you love Lita, how much she inspires you. In fact, मुझे ऐसा लगा भी नहीं कि आप और कुछ बोल सकते, क्योंकि जितना भी आप बोल सकते थे आपने उस वीडियो में डाल के हमें भेज दिया. So such a huge fan. Tell me how it started.
Well, it was back in 2000. I was at my cousin's place and हम लोग Sunday night Heat देख रहे थे. And I remember I saw Lita for the first time there. So the next thing I know is that she got on the top rope and she delivered, who's this chick? So week after week I started following it more religiously just to have a glimpse of her, because I was like super fascinated with how she is, as a person. Because, somebody who has red hair, has a big tattoo back in the day when tattoos were not, like this common. And I remember at that time her popularity rose to a level which was as far as Rock or Austin, and people were really into her. So that's how it kind of, started.
It started with one single moonsault.
Yeah.
And then after that,
Rest is history.
the rest is history, as they say. आपके साथ साथ आपकी मॉम और आपकी दादी भी लीटा की बहुत बड़ी फैंस बन गई है, and I think you have a little bit of credit there to take. That's a unique combination in a family to kind of sit together and enjoy
Exactly.
WWE.
Yeah, actually, I used to watch wrestling since I was a kid. So my mom used to kind of, give me company. She was not really into it, but then she used to always like sit and watch with me, during all these Raw and SmackDown and everything. So I remember when I became a Lita fan, so my mom really had, this female dynamic to watch. Because then she found somebody who's, of her gender, but she's doing things that she hasn't seen anybody do,
Right.
in all these years. So even she got hooked to it.
लीटा की ऐसी क्या क्वालिटीज है जो आपको इंस्पायर करती है?
So I got to know that this woman back in 1996, when we didn't had any internet, when we didn't had, much of like all these social media platform or these go-to pages to, explore a new city.
Right.
She kind of went from North America all the way to Mexico just by seeing Rey Mysterio doing a match on TV. I mean, I saw in her Hall of Fame speech that she just knew high school Spanish, and she called the travel agent and she said that I just want to go to Mexico. She didn't even know the name of the city or the state where she had to go. She's somebody who really not only lives for the moment, but she's kind of a rebel in her own, in a good way. Secondly, I'm a huge dog lover. So I got to know that when she was injured and when she was volunteering for animal shelter, she kind of opened her own animal shelter and she was taking care of homeless cats and dogs. So this was something that got me even more emotionally invested in her, because being a dog lover since I was a kid, when you see somebody, especially a Doberman is like my favorite dog breed. And I got to know that she kind of owned the homeless Doberman. That was like her very first pet that she had.
Any more similarities?
So I was like, this is like, like destiny, like that's why I'm a fan of this woman. दिल से दिल का रिश्ता. तो इसलिए शायद मुझे like Lita इतनी अच्छी लगती है. अगर आप उनका attire देखें तो she had a very tomboyish attire. She had a very punk rock chick kind of an attire, which was more relatable. I mean, I would tell you something very funny. The very first baggy pant that I got, the army print pant, was just because she wore it in one of her matches. I just went and I got the same army pants because the style was so unisexual that you could easily, incorporate that in your own wardrobe.
Absolutely.
So I mean, she's the one who got me into baggy pants. So I used to like go and say कि नहीं उसने इस तरह की pants पहनी, so I just want those kind of pants,
Well, Lita is not just your icon and your hero inside the ring, but clearly even period off
Yeah.
the ring. Saurabh, you've also been a huge collector of all things Lita,
Yeah.
right? तो आपके इस mini collection के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए.
Okay, so the very first thing that I got was her home video. It's called It Just Feels Right. And this was released, I think, back in 2000, but I got it much later because at that time we couldn't have things shipped to India. So I remember ये मैंने बहुत heavy custom fees देके मंगाए थे. This even got stuck in customs, and one of my friend who had some, you know, like जान पहचान in airport authority, he got it, you know, custom से उसने छुड़वा के मुझसे मंगवाई. The DVD version was not, you know, shipping ready to India, so I had to order this VHS, and then I had to go to a shop, and then I get to get it converted into a DVD to watch
Wow.
it because I didn't own a VCR at that time because
That's
VCRs
a
were like
real fan,
outdated.
guys. That's a real fan. Awesome.
And,
What else do you have?
I mean, this is her autobiography. It's called Lira, A Less Traveled Role, The Reality of Amy Duma. This is a really good read. And this third one is a t-shirt. This is not actually a real Lita merchandise, but a friend of mine, Vikram, he once saw it in a flea market, I think Janpat or maybe, I don't know, Palika, and he was just shocked. He was like, how can a Lita t-shirt be in, you know, a market like that? And even though it never fitted me, not back then, definitely not now, but this is something that I really hold on to because it clearly shows, you know, where your friends are really passionate for something that you believe in. And the final one is the bobblehead. This is like an original Lita action figure. I mean, what really surprised me about this one was when I was watching her Hall of Fame induction in 2014, she, like when she was telling everybody about her broken neck, like she had a broken neck and the doctor advised her to undergo an immediate surgery. But she was scheduled to be at an autograph signing 2 hours, you know, at that time. So she said that, no, I'm going to strap on a heart collar and I'm going to do an autograph signing because that was the debut of this bobblehead. So she kind of showed this during her speech and I freaked out. I was like, मेरे पास ये same bobblehead है.
As you mentioned, Lita had a terrible neck injury on the set of Dark Angels.
Yeah.
जब आपको उसके बारे में पता चला, what went through your mind as a massive Lita fan?
I was devastated.
I
I
can
was
imagine.
like so sad because she was at the peak of her career
Yes.
and she was just getting to a height that not only a female, no male wrestler had gone to that popularity. So suddenly she broke her neck, and that too, what really made me feel bad was that she didn't break it in the ring.
I can almost feel Lita's pain in your voice right now.
I mean, it was at that time, and I remember when she finally like made her try to go to a cyber cafe and just check if something has happened. And I remember when I went there on a Tuesday, I think it was September 2003, and as soon as I like opened the
Guys.
website, it was like you know the headline that Lita
Lita
returns,
returns.
and I got goosebumps.
अब लीटा तो इंडिया से बहुत दूर है, लेकिन आपके साथ उनके कुछ सोशल मीडिया इंटरैक्शंस हुए, राइट?
True.
You must have been on cloud 9 when that happened. Tell us more about this.
Actually on Instagram she's by the name of Michette Girl. तो मैं fortunate enough था कि उन्होंने 1-2 बार मेरे को reply किया था.
Right.
And secondly, I left a comment in her Instagram post. मैंने लिखा था कि Lita versus Becky WrestleMania में होना चाहिए. उस समय तक ये Elimination Chamber वाला match नहीं हुआ था. So she kind of replied to that comment and she said, I'm so here for it. उसके following 2 weeks बाद ही like we got to know that Lita and Becky are gonna be facing each other in Elimination Chamber in Saudi Arabia. So I mean, I was
I'm
like,
sure at that moment she must have thought of that one fan who left that comment on her Instagram, right? Well, this was absolutely amazing. You truly are Lita's biggest fan.
Thank you.
And today we have this very special episode, and it's even more special because we're doing this on Lita's birthday.
Yeah.
Right? You celebrate Lita's birthday every single year, and we've made sure you don't miss this year as well. So let the celebrations begin.
wow.
तो अगर आप लीटा के लिए कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं, especially on the occasion of her birthday, what would you like to say to her?
I would just like to say happy birthday, Lita. Like nobody has inspired me the way you have, not only as a superstar, not only as a wrestler, but as a human being. I think everything that she stands for, everything that she is as a human being inspires me to become a better human being in my own way. And all the way, you know, she's in a different nation, different country altogether, but somebody who's so far away has been inspired by her since like I cannot even remember when, like since 2000, 2001, and I'm gonna be a big fan till the day I die. So I think there's nothing, you know, anything, I mean, no words can describe
Wow.
what I really feel for her.
Very, very beautifully said.
Thank you.
और मेरी यही आपके लिए wish है, तमन्ना है कि at some point in your life, I hope you meet her.
I
Because
wish
that
the
would
same.
just be the cherry on the
Thank you.
cake. There you go.
Happy birthday, Lita. I know you are far, far away, but I'm cutting this cake on your behalf. And may God bless you with all the happiness, good health, and positivity. And may you come back and finally win the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th title reigns as much as you can, because you deserve it. So,
Oh,
this is to you, Lita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lita. Cheers.
Cheers.
I know that in an ideal case situation, you would have loved for Lita to be here. That would have been the ultimate gift. Lekin, we have something that's not going to match up, but it's still going to do some justice.
Thank you so much.
Here you go.
Means a lot.
small goodie bag from us.
Thank you.
And I hope that your love for Lita continues and grows larger and larger and larger, if that's even possible.
Thank you so much.
If you want to be our next guest on WWE Now India, I'm Mega Fan, then definitely write into us and reach out to us on WWE India's social handles, which is on Instagram or on Twitter. Now guys, that's all we have for you on this episode of WWE Now India, I'm Mega Fan. Until the next time, this is Saurabh and me, Galen, saying goodbye.